You. Actually, I might have to keep that guy. Alright, right here. I'm so used to them sending back guys. Alright, let's see. March. My favorite girl. And why not? Let's try this Cupchew out. And let's take on the Kingdom of Avia. Alright, here we go. Kingdom of Avia. Battle. Avia? Well, it's home of lots of flying-type Pokemon. Electric-type, Rock-type, and Ice-type Pokemon are effective against flying-type Pokemon. But Ground-type attacks won't work at all, so do be careful. Alright. Let's do this. And the guy looks awesome. He looks like he has like a chin strap on. Alright, so you. Fighting type won't do anything, so... I think we're set. We're golden. I guess we could call in reinforcements. Only from here? I don't know who to call in. Sure, why not this guy? Just bringing in more ice types than we can. Oh, man. Excuse me. Alright, let us stake our reputation on his victory. Ginseo. Luna's army has appeared in Nobunaga's Kingdom of Avia. Let's get this going. The Kingdom of Avia. Masame, he's just a little dude. You're Luna, right? The one who's too dumb to see there's no point in fighting against Nobunaga? Masame, please. Can't you see there's a lady present? You can't talk like that. My lady, look at the beautiful face. Why, I feel like I'm floating above the clouds. She's mine, bro. We're all floating above the clouds up here, you imbecile. I've had enough of this. I'm going to the battlefield. Don't keep me waiting. Does he have an eye patch on? Sorry about our warlord. His temper is a bit, you know, short. Get it? Because he's short? It's supposed to be funny. Alright. We'll be able to take care of them handily. Let's do that. Oh no, more of this jumping crap. I'll show you what I'm made of. Show you the fighting spirit. Alright. These misfits are gonna take... Oh man. He has a Bravia. I believe it's called Bravia. It's something like that. I like how they all have, like, 5 of the same type Pokemon. They have, like, 1 odd man out. Whew. Alright. Well, what do you think? Pretty nice view, huh? It's my favorite battlefield in Rensei. And one day, what? And one day, it's going to be mine, not Nobunaga's. We'll unite the region. But not unless you start pulling your weight, Makagochi. Okay, man, he's a terrible boss. Sounds like an asshole. Alright, let's see. Looks like they're just gonna be jumping down. I don't see the point of, like, moving around. Maybe moving it right here and then we'll be able to jump across like that. But it looks like they'll just come down and come right back down on us. Well, if they're gonna do that, let's send our electric types. We'll keep one electric type behind us. Alright, let's go. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, just sending everyone down here. And I guess we'll just wait and see what to do, because I don't want to jump across and I'm stuck right here. Alright, let's see what Star Avia's gonna do. Alright, looks like they're gonna be heading. One of them's heading down there. This one is also heading down there. Alright, he's gonna bounce across. Alright, looks like they're all wanting to come down here. Okay, they're gonna be jumping down that way. Okay, so it looks like a majority of them are gonna be jumping down right there. Or at least floating. Maybe they're most likely will fly across, so. Come on, Cubchoo. Alright, knows powder snow. Alright, let's get you up there. You're gonna do a majority of the damage. Pikachu, you're gonna do a majority of the damage too. I guess us, I honestly don't know. Let's just jump across. No, wait. Yeah, let's just jump across. Oh man, I'm not sure. Alright, let's just have him here. And have this guy just come with me. Oh man, is he gonna jump again? Whoa! I didn't expect that. Alright, they're all gonna be coming down. Or at least I thought they would. Alright, the first guy right there. Alright, what is he gonna do? Hero increases their range. Uh-oh. Bravery? Alright, Bravery's right there. When the battle is over, I'll buy you a nice Ponygiri or two. So you do your best for me, won't you, Spiel? Alright, I'm by myself. I must... God damn it, phone. Get away. Always when I'm recording, my phone rings. Alright, let's see. If I want to jump right here, it'll take me up here. I can jump right here. It takes me right here. Huh. Alright, I need help over there, so I'm gonna have this guy come over, because it looks like they're just gonna be coming over right there. You... I think I can attack, can I? Yep, but I can attack. Alright, let's try to get that guy out. Alright, Pikachu's gonna use Thunderbolt. Super effective. Alright, I'm gonna be moving my way slowly right here. Right here. Alright, let's do this Powder Snow attack. I don't want to go forward and get destroyed, so I'm gonna move back a bit. Spiel? I guess Spiel's gonna end up moving on by himself. Poor little guy, he's just by himself. Alright, they're jumping across. Uh-oh, I didn't expect him to jump down right there. Alright. I'm gonna have to move up. Alright, looks like they're all going at my, everyone right now. I totally did not expect that. Wow. Fly? No, that's Sky Drop. Uh-oh. I actually thought this was gonna be a walk in the park, but this seems a little, dangerous. Alright, I guess since we're one-on-one, we're just gonna fight. And I totally missed the block. Alright, Eevee should take him down. I guess you're perfect where you were. Just fight these guys. Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need to move forward one, and then I should be able to. Okay, perfect. And then I can move my Luxio back, and I'll be able to take out those two that are right there. So basically, them trying to trap me in here on the bridge is the worst mistake they've made. But I will hurt Pikachu in the process, but that is okay. This is probably one of the stupidest moves they could have made right now. Defeated! We have to retreat for now, but next time, victory will be ours. Okay. Poor little guy's just up here all by himself. Okay. Oh no, interference. My accuracy's gonna go down. That did crazy amount of damage. Oh gosh, I survived with 1 HP. Yeah, I knew that was gonna be super effective. So bringing him was pretty much nothing but just giving him a little extra experience move. Hopefully... Alright, he goes right across. Just totally ignores me. And I can't go across until next turn. Well, bump that. I'm moving over here then. I'm bouncing over. Well, I'm gonna bounce around, I guess. Alright. You, right here. You're taking this guy out. It's a pain in my ass. Second cut, now! Oh, how I wish that was Alright, let's see. No, let's not move you yet. Move you back one. Then I'll let you attack. Alright. Move him, Pikachu right there, so you can attack Bravia. And then I can move Luxio forward and I'd be able to take out that Staravia and hopefully do massive amounts of damage to the Bravia. Without hurting Cubchoo. Yep. Alright. Interference, accuracy down. So a bleak situation turned pretty good to me. That's because I had Luxio. Pretty much if I didn't have Luxio, It would have just sucked. Alright. Okay. That's gonna scare me. How? Why did he go behind me? What? What's the point of going behind me? You're a little late to the party, friend. Alright. Let's see what attacking this does. The rock disappeared. Item acquired. Power wristband. What? Alright. Let's get rid of him finally, once and for all. Hopefully this attack won't miss. I just thought it was a 70% hit chance. Alright, super effective. Alright, there's nothing we could do. I don't think we could attack him. Nope. Everything I do is pretty much useless, so stop. So, end the turn until he falls back down. Wow. Alright, good thing that counts as his turn. Alright. My poor Eevee's just right there by himself. Alright, hopefully it'll be taking out that guy. Alright. Move you up forward just so I can get that item and take out the Bravia, the strongest person that is on the map. The strongest person left on the map. I actually thought the Bravia was going to give us tons of problems, but it didn't. Celebrate all you want. I will have my revenge. That sounds... That sounds like he will actually get his revenge on us someday. Or at least try to. Sounds like he's going to attack us again. Well, he's going to attack us. Instead of me attacking him. Alright, let's see. 250 gold. You're gonna jump down, aren't you? Please don't jump down. Son of a bitch, he jumped down. Oh, man. Stop. Don't do that. Alright, let's see. Let's just increase our courage. So I'll be able to go across the map more. All the way across. Thank you. It's gonna be doing crap damage to him. It's not gonna be a lot. But he is paralyzed, so that is good. Awakening. Alright, another 8 damage. Hopefully I can hit him across there. Can I? No, I need to go across one more. Wait, what? Whatever, I'll just... No! Damn it. I wanted so you can move across one more square. Oh, he healed them. See? Damn it. I would have been right there, or maybe he would have just stayed in the spot where he was supposed to stay. Slowly but surely make my quest around the map. And here I am, finally here. Moving across the way. Alright, should get him done now. Let's see. Nothing else to do, just wait it out until my Eevee comes along so he can do some more damage. This guy's gonna move, yep. Move right over there for me. Perfect. Alright, Pikachu's out. I didn't expect this to take so long. For some reason, this has taken longer than expected. Alright, let's see. Attack you just to attack you, just in case you have any HP left over when I attack you with my other guys. Alright, right there. 27 down. Come on, let's go. Quick attack. 25, 41. Let's see. 31. Okay. Well, this guy's pretty much stuck right here. You can't go anywhere else. And it was a critical hit. Fantastic. Fantastic. Rotate is an important battle strategy as any other. Avia Castle is now ours. So close to the 70% mark. Magic Mirror. They've all gone off somewhere. Whew. That took long. I guess I must have let my guard down. I won't go so easy on you next time, Luna. Ahem. Are you going to go back to Nobunaga, Masame? I mean, if we're doing to join Luna's army... I want to fight for the army that will eventually unite Rensei. And at the moment, only one army looks capable of doing that. Now, come on. They keep saying that we're gonna, like, destroy it. Like, what's going on? We have claimed victory. What on earth is happening to Luxia? Oh, evolving. Because defeated all those people. Alright. A Luxray. Excellent, excellent. The battle has been won. Save your progress.